Well, liquor is where I think the cycle has turned. The cycle has turned for the liquor companies for a variety of factors. A, raw material prices have come down. B, we know that there have been structural changes which have happened in the state of Uttar Pradesh after the change of government and after how the liquor ban's monopoly is now out of Uttar Pradesh. So which way things are stacked up now for the liquor industry and specifically for Radico Khaitan, they came out with good set of numbers yesterday, and what could be the growth numbers for FY19. To discuss all that and much more, I have with me the CFO of the company, Mr. Dilip Kumar Banthiya. Dilip, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Now, first, let's understand what you've reported for the quarter gone by. There has been all-round growth. Do you think the all-round growth is largely a function of base, or growth is back both for your regular category and premium category?
Thank you for and good morning, Nikunj. Radico Khaitan has reposted stellar growth all round in the fourth quarter of this year. We have performed on volume, top line, EBITDA, and bottom line all put together. Despite facing headwinds in the first half from GST implementation to the highway ban, we have been able to do much better, and the environment has considerably changed now. The recent price increases have happened, then the raw material scenario is softer, the UP excise policy has been opened up, and volume growth is coming back. So all these factors are putting the growth in the year 17-18 in a all-round growth. We expect this growth momentum to continue. We have grown on our top line by 8.5% during the year, and in Q4 by 22.5%. Gross profit have improved by 35% during the quarter. The PAT has improved by 105% in this period. So the growth momentum which has been after the first half of the year will continue in 18-19 as well. The recent launches which has been done by the company, yeah.
I just wanted to talk about the nuances of the number. You've managed to deleverage about 215 crore rupees. How have you managed to do that? Are you working towards more deleveraging? Is the eventual aim is to take Radico Khaitan debt free? And then if you are deleveraging, does that mean that you are also likely to increase your dividend payout? I'm bunching up a couple of questions here because typically what markets like, Dilip, is the fact that when companies are deleveraging and when cash flows they increase, markets like those companies, because ultimately when you're investing in a business, you're doing nothing else but investing in future cash flows.
Yes, so we have taken this conscious call 2 years back to deleverage the company and make this balance sheet stronger to participate in the growth of the industry, because we see the growth in this industry to come in next 10-20 years, and there are, after the consolidation of the industry, there are only few players which can cater to the Indian pan-India market, and Radico is today the largest Indian profit-making company. So we have delevered in last 2 years 380 crores. In 2016-17 we have paid a debt of 162 crore, and in 17-18 we paid a debt of 215 crores. I think the pace of the debt reduction will continue much faster in coming year 18-19 and 19-20, and by 2021 the company will be a debt-free company. And after the repayment of that, we are going to consider the better dividend payout and creating shareholder value by whatever best possible means.
Okay, good to hear that. Wanted to understand, Dilip, about the pricing scenario, because price hikes have been coming through for the industry, because states have started opening up on the same as well. What is the average rise in blended realization that you've seen in the quarter gone by? And if you could give us some visibility on where the realizations are likely to head for the next few quarters.
Yeah. So the recent changes in the UP excise policy has been a big boost for the industry. After 10 years of monopoly, the excise policy has been opened up, and that has given a free market to the industry, where Radico is also a dominant player. So the price realization across the country, and in particular in the state of UP in IMFL segment, has improved in this year. And with the recent price increases happened in these certain southern states like AP, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, there has been an increase in our realization, and the standard or the popular brands which were making very small profit have also been making a contribution where we are supplying, and I think the volume and the profitability will improve, and realization per case will continue to improve in coming years.
Okay, good to hear that. And lastly then, as a strategy, your market share, while it's relatively, not all that strong, how is it that you plan to consolidate your position in the industry, especially when now competition is creeping and getting very fierce and competitive, not only from domestic players, but the international players as well, vying a piece of the market?
So Radico has carved out its own strategy in the prestige and above category. And for last 8 to 10 years, we have worked on our prestige and above portfolio. Magic Moment vodka, which is the largest selling vodka in the country, and 50% of our market share across all price category, Magic is having today. Beyond that, we have done Morphus in 2009-10. That's also one of the best super premium brandy in the country. Then Verve, Regal Talon, After Dark, Electra, all these diversified portfolio will improve our scenario and the competitive edge over the competition. And we think that we have a well diversified portfolio which will take us for the next orbit of growth.
Couple of quarters ago, there was rumor that you are looking at a strategic investment from Bacardi. Now, we haven't got anything official from Bacardi or from Radico. So whatever speculation which was there on B Street, was that just, some kind of a rumor which has come and gone, or you are seriously talking to Bacardi or any other foreign player for a strategic or a financial stake?
No, we are not talking to any of the international player on the strategic or financial stake. The company is very strong with its balance sheet. We have a very robust business model, and we are actually there to capture the growth in the Indian economy and consumption sector in particular, and Radico will participate in that with a well diversified portfolio.
Okay, and closing comments. The gain what you've seen because of dip in raw material prices, how much of that gain is likely to sustain?
Yeah, so we have seen a very good sugar crop in state of Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra in 2017-18, and I think the coming 1 to 2 years further, this crop season will continue to be better with the normal monsoon again predicted in this year. So we expect that this will give a boost to the operating margins to us also, and we see softer to benign raw material scenario in 18-19 and 19-20.
Okay, Dilip, leave it at that, and congratulations for your quarterly performance once again, and wish you good luck for the future quarters as well from Team ET now. Radico Khaitan holding a little soft currently in trade, about 1.6% lower is where the stock is.